this is Deborah Wecselman. I'm an interior designer in Miami, and I want to welcome you into this reinterpretation of a modern Mediterranean home. This is by far one of the most exciting properties I've been involved in, and I can't wait to show you inside. Come, follow me. All good entries set the design tone for a home. I didn't want an intrusive element hanging above the staircase, so I incorporated this ethereal hand-blown chandelier, which reminds me of a cascading shower of light. And right off the entryway is this inviting seating area that is really more of an art gallery. One of my favorite pieces here is this asymmetrical, handcrafted stone coffee table. It's made out of marble, which is a material that I absolutely love. We created this bronze and mirror corridor that takes you to the back of this home. It's dramatic and it creates visual interest to what would otherwise be a boring hallway. And it leads you to the great room, which is the heart of this home. This is where my client entertains, so there had to be an open flow between all areas. There's two distinct living areas, one more relaxed and one more formal. The focal point here is the fireplace, and it's one of my favorite things in the house. It's made with an open pore stone called onites and beautiful bronze inserts. We applied the same idea to these bronze faceted coffee tables. It's all part of the same design language. Simple, organic, yet elegant and warm. Because this was a total renovation, we were able to open all the small windows and doors that were previously here. We replaced them with a sliding wall of glass. The result is that it doesn't matter where you are, the dining room, the kitchen, the sitting room, everybody can see the ocean. I really wish I could tell you that I created this too. The idea with the outdoor spaces was to create a very informal yet comfortable seating area so you could sit and enjoy these views for hours and hours. And the views are even better upstairs, so follow me. My client spends a lot of time at home. How could you not with a space like this? But he wanted a clear separation between the public areas and the private areas, both physically and aesthetically. This is his personal space, one where he can work, lounge outside, bathe, dress in style, and of course, sleep. The master suite had to be warm, sophisticated, and masculine. We used walnut floors and cabinetry in different shades and soft, natural area rugs. The bedroom itself is an oasis, but because it's near the windows, we didn't want to interfere with the views. We kept the bed low and created a separation with the gray drapes. Not to mention, there's multiple places outside to relax and enjoy the sun. By mixing classic details and a modern layout and design, we've created a completely unique and personal home. A new version of a Mediterranean style right here in Golden Beach. Thank you for coming.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?